Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. My name is Wahizatul Afsad Azmi and I am the project leader for this product which entitled MeT-GAS, a biocontrol agent for controlling Siput Gondang Emas in infested paddy fields. So for your information, this product is a natural product which is actually aimed to kill or control Siput Gondang, or in English is golden apple snails. So if you look in this picture, it is actually the adults and also the eggs of the golden apple snails, which is a very serious pest, especially in paddy fields of our country. Okay, moving on to the introduction. If you look here, golden apple snails have infested to Malaysia since 1980, and the infestation have increased drastically from 2008 to 2019. So there are many control strategies have been made by our government and also the farmers to control the golden apple snails, including the chemical, physical, and also biological controls. However, the most preferred method or technique to kill the snails are using the chemical molicide, but this method is highly toxic to the environment, to the aquatic organism, and also to the health of the farmers. So in this innovation, we actually propose a natural product. It's a type of fungus named Metarhizium anisopliae, which act as a biocontrol agent that can kill directly the snail. It is host specific, meaning that it will not kill for the non-target organisms. It is considered as green technology because we don't use any chemical, only the natural product or the fungus, and that's why we call that as environmental friendly. And the cost for mass production is very cheap, safe for aquatic or non-targeted organisms, and also to the crops of rice plants. And with that, it will increase the yield and improve the rice production of our nation. And of course, the income of the paddy farmers will also be increased, and this is in line with the national key economic areas and also the IR 4.0 and SDGs for sustaining food security in Malaysia. Okay, in this slide is actually a flow chart on how we did our experiment, starting from collection of samples, preparation of the natural product, until to the pathogenicity test. For the experimental design, we have about 6 different treatments, which include of a negative control, 4 different concentration of spore suspensions, and also the positive control where we use the commercialized pesticide to kill the snails. Okay, the outcome of the research is so amazing, where our research group has evaluated the pathogenicity or the mollicidal activity of the fungus extract against the adult and also the egg of the snails. So if you look at this figure, the results have revealed that the concentration 10 of power of 6 may kill 100% of the adult snails in less than 14 days. Okay, I want to share the physiological observation on the infected adult gas or snails. So if you look here on these pictures, this is the control positive, which is the uninfected snail versus the treated or infected snails. So if you look here, this is the sign and symptom of dead or infected snail, where air bubble came out from the operculum. Okay, after we observe the physiological observation, then we cut the shell as we want to see what happened inside the internal organs. So this is pictures of uninfected versus infected snail. If you look here, the internal organs such as the lung, digestive part, heart of the uninfected is in a good condition, where it is in translucent, not burst, and still fixed in their position. In contrast, the infected snail with the fungus, if you look here, the internal organ is totally white in color, and it has been damaged or burst, and this is due to the infection of the fungus. Okay, moving on to the physiological observation on infected eggs. So if you look here, this is uninfected eggs where it is in pink color. This is the viable eggs. So when we put on the commercialized pesticide, the eggs will turn from pink to white color. So this also happened in similar condition where we infected the eggs with the fungus, and the eggs turn from the pink color to the white color, similar to the pesticide. And this is what happened after 10 days of the exposure. So in order to confirm whether it is from the metabolism, we have re-isolated the fungus from the infected, and it has shown that the dead adults as well as the eggs is actually caused by the fungus. The impact to the industry and community will definitely improve the rice production of our nation, where it will increase the income of the B40 farmers. And if you look here, this is the figure that have been reported by the Agro-Utusan Malaysia. And besides that, the most important thing is it will reduce the pesticide cost, where before this, the farmers have spent around RM 560 ringgit per month for per hectare in order to apply the chemical control in their field. In contrast, if they use the biological control, they only spend around RM 270 ringgit per month. So it will definitely give the impact on the costing, and of course to reduce the environmental impacts, and it will change definitely the agricultural policy. And moving to the impact to the environment, this is what I can summarize, where definitely it will give a low cost and effective control method, increase the income of the smallholders, environmental friendly, and the most important thing is it is a sustainable agricultural practice where it is in line with the SDGs 1, 2, and 15. This product has the potential to commercialize, where if you see here, these are the relevant stakeholders such as Jabatan Pertanian, Mardi, Bernas, and also the agrochemical companies. For the academic recognition, we have received a gold medal award during Novel Research and Innovation Competition, and this is our publication. And besides that, we have a very strong collaboration with Jabatan Pertanian and also with the agrochemical company of Green to You. And this is our summary, and we hope that this biocontrol agent will give an efficient alternative to the management of Siput Gondang. With that, I would like to say thank you very much to all. Thank you.